I initially attended the RSM Academy Seriously Social workshop and was blown away by the in-depth knowledge that the team had on how best to use the channels for business. So much so that we extended this training and invested in custom corporate training specific for our brand, which the RSM team facilitated recently. My key takeaway was definitely the power of the advertising options on the platforms and how, particularly in our industry of real estate, these can be used so strategically for our clients. The platforms are so much more than a place for posting the odd photo, and look, they can be so powerful when used correctly. I would definitely recommend the RSM Academy to other businesses looking to upskill themselves or their team in social media, giving them the tools and the knowledge to implement actionable plans that generate results. The custom corporate training is perfect for getting your entire team on board with the strategy as well.